Hi guys, so in this particular video, I'm going to show you how to invite your staff, your colleague, or your co-founder into your Meta business portfolio. So basically, if you want to give access to your Facebook page to another user, or Instagram access to another user, or your ad account, particularly your business prepaid or postpaid ad account to another user, to help you manage your organization or to work as a team in your business, on your business assets across Meta, which could be either your Facebook page specifically, your Instagram business profile, or even WhatsApp accounts, because there's also a Meta Business Suite WhatsApp version, and also your Pixel, Meta Pixel, for those of you who run conversion, web ads, and so much more. So this video, we're going to show you how you could invite another person. Either you give them basic access to do what exactly you want them to do on your business profile, or you give them admin for them to also manage your business portfolio entirely, same as you are. But don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive content like this. Don't forget, this is the best way, the professional way to invite users into your business portfolio. Then they can now have access to your Facebook page, your Instagram account, your ad account, particularly the business ad account, and so much more, while using their personal Facebook profiles. I think before we move into the video straight, let me tell you guys something. It is advisable that everyone should use their real Facebook account and have only one Facebook profile. This is best practices, and it's a very serious matter on Meta. Also, do not create a Facebook profile using your company name. Companies, organizations are only meant to have Facebook page. They are only meant to be created as a page on Facebook, not profiles. So please take note of this. If you're confused about all of this, kindly book a session with one of our experts. Visit the description section to access the link where you could contact us. And also, you're going to find more interesting information and resources we're going to share with you in the description section of this video. So let's jump right into this video to show you how you could give access to a friend, colleague, or a staff in your company to manage your Meta account, which could be Facebook page, Instagram, professional account, or your WhatsApp business, and also your ad account, and so much more. So let's jump right straight into this video. So visit business.facebook.com/latest, or you just visit business.facebook.com. So this video is going to be 2-in-1. So we're also going to cover how to accept the invitation. So apart from showing you how you can add a staff or another admin, particularly if it's your co-founder. Okay, so first thing, you want to select the business portfolio you want to add. Don't forget, you're working with business portfolios here. All right, so what you're looking for primarily is how to find your way to the business settings of that particular business portfolio. So you see, if it's not this one you're looking for, you click on the one you want to work on, then you go to the business settings under it. Okay, so the next one, this is Health Hub. This is the particular business portfolio where we want to bring in our staff. So you select this one, then you click on this settings icon here. This is business settings. So you click on it. All right. So let's click on business settings. So this takes you to Meta business portfolio. All right. So this is the Health Hub Meta business portfolio. So it's under people. Take note, under people. So we made another video on how you can add a partner. We're going to attach it in the description section of this video. Basically, when you want to work with agencies. But this one is for your employees, or you want to add another admin. Take note of that. So here, I'm the only admin here. So if I want to add another employee to work with us, so we click on the invite people. So now you're going to ask your staff to send you their email. Or if your company provides email for each staff, you use that email and make sure your staff has access to it. The most important thing is that whoever you're inviting to join the business portfolio should have access to the email address which they will use to accept the invitation, or they should send you their email address in best case. All right, so we're going to All right, so you click on enter after inputting the email address. Then you click on next, okay? If you want to give temporal access, this is how to do it. Okay, so it's temporal access, then you select how long it's going to last. So let me show you. Once you turn on, you see it. When does this business portfolio access expires? You write it. But if it's something which you don't want to give a specific expiration, turn this off. So normally things are done this way. You can always remove them. We'll make another video on how to remove them. So you click on next. Okay, now this one is for full control. Take note, full control. And there's also a view advanced. So if it's your co-founder or someone you trust so well, you can give them all of this access. It's actually good for you to have 2 admins to a business portfolio. It's not always good to have just one. Meta recommends this. But if it's your staff you're sending to, you turn off this everything access. This is full control. Don't give them. But if it's someone you trust, you can give them all of this. But if it's your staff, just give them only staff access. So there will be a limit to what they can do. Then you click on next. Then next is assign business assets. Okay. So we're going to select what to assign. So we'll click here. So depending on what you want to give to them. So let's say we want to give them our Facebook page. You select. All right. You give them the Facebook page. If there's an Instagram account, it will also appear here. You can give them access to your Instagram account. Okay. But make sure your Instagram account is properly logged in on this business manager. If not, it's not going to work properly. Okay. But take note, in most cases where your Facebook page is connected to your Instagram account, they will still be able to do the basic, maybe let's say respond to comments. All right. But they might also need further confirmation login in order for them to access your Instagram messages on Meta Business Suite. So next, you want to give them your ad account because your staff would run ads for you. So you give them the ad account. So you select all the assets. In some cases, if you have a Meta Pixel or data set or even app or a WhatsApp account, you can add all of that now. You can add all of that. Okay. Then you click on confirm selection. So after you confirm the selection, you're going to decide what type of assets do you want to give to them. So you carefully read all of this. So in some cases, you can give them partial access, what they need to just be posting. This is it. So this is okay for your staff. But if you also trust the staff further, you can just, give them everything. But this is not necessary. So you can just give them this for them to make publish content, respond to messages, community activity, ads, and insight. That is enough for them. They don't need more than that. Then for the ad account, you can also give them the basic one where they manage campaigns. This is okay. They don't need full control, but if you want, you can also give them the full control. This one just makes them to focus on to create their ads, create and edit ads. Okay, while you can be in charge of the payment method. But if you want them to also manage payments, you give them full control so that they can pay for ads or set up a new payment method. So take note, in most cases, just give them full control. If you know that you don't have time to be adding money, all right, then you click on next. Okay. Then you invite. So invite with 2 assets. So don't forget what we are giving now is employee access, and I've also told you how you can give them full control. So just if you're confused and you need help with this, you can book a consultation with one of our experts, and we're going to come in to help you. Okay, so I'm going to verify this in order for them to complete the access sharing. So verify account. Okay, so they're going to send an OTP to my phone number. So send text. Okay, so I just received the message. Then click on next. And then click on done. Okay, then click on OK. So next we are going to move to how to accept it. So take note. So this is the account. In most cases, it's always better that whichever browser that their Facebook is logged in on, let them log in their Gmail account or the email account that was used to send the invite. So if it's not logged in, I'm going to show you what exactly you have to do. So in this case now, the Gmail is not logged in on this browser. So what you have to do, whichever device, however you want to do it, you are going to copy the invitation link and paste it on a new tab in that same browser where your Facebook account or where your staff or your partner's account is logged in on. Okay, so now I'm going to show you. So this is my Gmail account. So if you notice, the email has been sent. Okay. So in some cases, if you don't find it in your primary inbox, check on socials. You're going to see it there. So it's either you find it here or you click on socials and you find the invitation to join the Meta Business Portfolio. So tell your staff this. So for this one, it was sent in the primary. We also made a video about this. So don't forget, always visit the description section. We're going to add additional information for you there. So I'm going to click on this. Okay, so you can see this is what the email looks like. You are invited to join Health Hub Business Portfolio. Okay, so it even showed my name, Gospel Wobo. All right, so this is the invitation. So if the Facebook account is logged in on this browser, so if you're accepting the invitation on your phone, take for example, if your Facebook account is also logged in on the default browser of your mobile phone, you can click this invitation and be able to accept it. So make sure you don't accept the invitation on the wrong Facebook account. So in this case, what we're going to do, another thing you have to do if you're using your laptop, click and hold this button. If you're using a phone, if you're using a laptop, you know what to do. You right click or left click, whichever one. Then you copy the link. You look for copy link. So once the link is copied, you now take it to the browser where your Facebook account is logged in on. Okay, so it's this one. So I'm going to come here. Then I'm going to paste the link. Then click on enter. So you can either, in best cases, just accept the invitation with your Facebook account, but you can use Instagram. But I strongly recommend use your Facebook, okay? Then click on login with Facebook. So also, you can also pay for your staff in order for them to subscribe to our compliance setup if you want more details about it. Also visit the description section for more information. So you can now input the name. Your staff could input their name or their role in your company, whichever one. So you can say Pretty Social Media. All right. Then you accept this if you want, then click on continue. Then click on continue again. Then click on accept invitation. So it's very easy. So now you have to input the password again to confirm that you're the right person. Then you click on submit. So make sure your password is correct so you won't have any error message. So this is how to accept invitation. If you also need help, kindly book a consultation with one of our experts. Visit the description section. We always input the link on how you can reach out to us.